I'll be showing you how to use the Morpholio app to make a mood board. So let's get started. First, you open up the app and you'll see they'll have some pre-designed things on there. You can just delete them right here, even though you can't see it. Because it's cut off, I'm going to my photo album in my phone, which you can allow Morpholio to have access to your photos so that you can use them in your designs. So basically, I'm just going to go and pick out all of the things that I've already found and that I'm using in my design today. So these things I've gotten from various stores and just screenshot them and save them on my phone for my design. So once you do that, all of the things will start popping up that you want to use in your design. So you can see that now. And I am going back to Instagram so I can look at the design and get it right and correct. So I'm going back because I missed something. I wanted to add a mirrored side table. So right now you see me just going back and finding the mirrored side table that I want, that I have in my little collection of images for my edesigns. So now I have my table and I'm just going to move everything out of the way so that I can have a white clean slate. So moving this stuff out of the way, getting the pillows out of the way. So I normally start with the largest item of furniture. So in this case, it's this beautifully shaped and created bed. So I'm going to position that first the way that I want it. When I do Glamboards, I kind of cut things off just because I want to give you the idea, and I don't want to do an entire e-design, but I want to give you the idea of what you can do with these items. Now I'm adding this wallpaper and also these curtains. I had some more curtains, but I didn't really like how they looked, and these look more luxurious, so I am adding them and sending them to the back of the bed. And you can do all these controls at the bottom where you can bring items back and forth, and you can also click the icon that says more, and when you click more, that will make a transparent background on any item that you have. And normally I make all of my items with a transparent background just because I'm always overlaying stuff. So yeah, you can't see those controls because it's cut off. But I did create a picture to show you how to use all of the controls that they have in Morpholio. And now I'm just adding this pillow and just trying to align the pillows to look exactly how they looked in the original e-design that I did. And just bringing those forward again using the controls at the bottom. And literally the controls are just so easy to use. They say backward and forward, so that lets you bring those items backward and forward. And like I said, I do a lot of overlaying in the e-designs just to give you that sense of what I don't want to give a whole e-design, and I just said I'm doing e-designs, but I'm not my Glamboards. So in the Glamboards, I just want to give you just a piece of what it is that you can put together yourself. If you don't want to hire an interior designer or whatever, you can use these boards for inspiration to, put these pieces together yourself in your home. So right now I'm just adjusting the pillows the way that I want them to be. And I do a bunch of adjusting because I think I have OCD and I am a perfectionist when it comes to this. So I want everything to be correctly aligned. And so now I'm just adding this mirrored side table that I went looking for. And also I'm going to add this glass lamp. And you just adjust it to your liking. And then I found this piece that matches the color scheme that I found from Z Gallery. So I'm just going to add that to the mirrored side table. And yeah, I'm adding the chandelier, which is the last part of this. And now I'm adjusting the table to make it a little bigger and adjust it to my liking. And yeah, I'm going to keep adjusting. So just keep watching.